The very first thing we need to do is to create Azure DevOps Organization. It's nothing complicated, just visit the link in the resource section and follow along with me. We will click on continue and a new page will show up. In here, you will have to provide unique organization name. Something like Sentinel or Sentinel repository will be already taken. So I will incorporate my name into it. After that, fill out the CAPTCHA and confirm with continue. It shouldn't take too long for your organization to create. Now we have to create a project. Project, just lower level management scope. Company can have multiple teams developing different applications. Now you can select name that is specific for your purpose. Therefore, I will name it Sentinel and create a project. But there are still a couple of things we need to do before we are all set up. Inside our project, we need to create a repository where all the files can be stored. On the left bar, you should see repos. Let's move there. As you can see, we are greeted by message telling us that Sentinel is empty. For now, we will just initialize directory with the readme file. This will create main branch, which we will use later in our setup. The final thing we need to do is turn on third-party application access with open authentication. For that, we need to go back to the organization. Just click on your organization name and navigate to organization settings. We can turn this function on in policies in security section. And it's right over here. Make sure that this functionality is turned on, as in the next video we will connect this repository to our Microsoft Sentinel.